Like at the Prospector shop. Wade come by today to pick up his double Tubby. And I figured I just had to show y'all a little bit more about it. So this is what it is. So it's a Highbanker that runs on DC power, 3,700 pump. So you can get your goal fast, easy, and not make any noise when you do it good. Wade here is the first owner of a double Tubby. I'm gonna take you in for a quick little tour of my new double Tubby Highbanker. I just created this thing this week, and the man come to pick it up today, and before it leaves, I better take a couple of pictures of it for you. So, it's my normal Highbanker, but it's been converted to run on DC pump and a battery, 3,700 gallons per hour. It's got a great three-way wash system going up in it, nugget traps, a good wash here. You got your adjustment brackets right here that you loosen and adjust to change the pitch of either box that you want to change. If you want to raise the top or the bottom, that's where you do that with those mounts. You got that little finger there that holds the sluice on top of the mounts. Give you a little bit better view of that right here, so you see how that goes. When you get ready to take the sluice off, just undo those two bungees. Stiff leg sets in the bottom, it mounts in good and tight. Spray bar is mounted tight, it's got a clean out here on the end to clean it out. You got your drop area here where all the water drops and goes down from the top layer to the bottom. Here's your screen where you're coming in, and it's turned backwards so it'll break up the material and hold it so the clay balls and stuff will break and stay and get washed real good. And then the rocks just tumble off on the ground right here. So that'll give you a look at that. Right here on our water, we bring the water in right here, 1.5-inch hose. And then we have this swivel adapter right here. You loosen that, and you can swivel this to where you can bring the water off over here or back here, according to where your pump's setting in relation to your machine. Now, we've got this recirculating in 2 tubs, but you could easily set this thing up in the creek. Just set the whole tub in the creek, throw it to work, throw the pump in the water, and set the battery on the bank and go to work. So that's the way it works, guys. Okay, we got the double Tubby running, and we run some dirt in it. We just want to get another picture or two of it running so you can see the water flow. There's your breakup area. We're going across about 6-7 nugget traps. Then everything goes from there, and the little ones break and go to the bottom. So little fine gold will work its way across that and go to the bottom. Once it drops, it's going to drop through here, like you see. Here's a bottle I got with some test gold in it that ain't been stolen. Some real fines, all my big stuff's gone, so we're going to work with that. So we're going to put in there for testing with something to see where you end up. And it was wet, it wasn't dry, it was already wet. So it's in the machine. Now he's going to start shoveling scoops out of this thing here into it and get it all in, and we're going to scoop it all in right quick. So this is 1/3 of a bucket, guys. It won't last but a couple minutes. We'll run it all through the machine. The bucket's done. Look at this. He's washing her out now. Getting her out. So we're going to let it wash a few more minutes here. Pull back and look. Screen right here.
Get them right off.
Yeah, a couple leaves that got in the bucket and sitting around. The whole thing off the top.
Yes.
Yep. Your leg's going to be caught in the bottom down here a little bit. There you go. Bring it over here. Set it in the tub. Set it up at an angle. Yep, that works. Let me get the light right here. Look in here right quick.
There's some at the top right there.
Where
a lot of that got.
Let me show y'all. There's some of those right there. This is what caught in the top of the Highbanker. All of that was in the top of the Highbanker, okay? Now, let's go down, and when he gets done, we'll see what's in the bottom of that Highbanker. That is what made it to the bottom tray of the Highbanker. Hey, Wade.
Nice.
Wade, you're going to enjoy it, I think, brother.
Yep.
Yep, I really think he's going to enjoy this one. So, hey, guys, y'all be good, and once it dries, then I can dust it off, brother.